Hey there, Ryan here. Today we're going to create subdomain and install WordPress as well. As you can see, I already logged in into hosting, which is InterServer. Next, we're going to log into Cpanel. Since we're going to create subdomain, okay, just wait for a while. Then you choose subdomain since we're creating a subdomain. Let's say we'll do e-commerce site. The name of this e-commerce site would be, let's say, Shopee. Shopee, then create. Okay, we have here now. Then just go back. Now we have the site name, Shopee. This is subdomain, and this is the main domain. Just go back. Then if you're going to search that, it would be in the new tab, it would be Shopee.Ryan. This is the subdomain, and this is the main domain. As you can see here, there's no WordPress content yet. So just go back to Cpanel. Then File Manager. Public HTML. Then just refresh this one, refresh. Or you can use F5 for refresh, public HTML. Then we'll find the new subdomain that we created. This one, Shopee. Here it is. When we click the subdomain that we created, there's no WordPress content yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload it. Just click upload. Select file. So since I already saved it, downloads, WordPress, then open. If you don't have WordPress, just go to wordpress.org, then download it. So this one, WordPress. Then you can download it. You can get the WordPress here. Since you already have, okay, 100% already completed, then just go back. Then just reload it. Reload until WordPress show. So reload it several times. You can use also up one level. Shopee. Okay, here it is. Then hover your mouse in this same with folder, right click, then extract. Extract files. Then close. Double click WordPress. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move this WordPress content inside the subdomain that we created. So how we do that? So just click this one content, then select all. Then right click, move. Just remove the WordPress together with the slash. then move. Again, just click again, Shopee. Okay, here it is. WordPress content is already moved inside the subdomain that we created. Now we're going to create database, Cpanel. I hope you follow. MySQL database. Then Shopee. Just create a database. Go back. We're going to create a MySQL user. So we use same domain, password. So make it sure. So here I install the LastPass so that it's easily to find a password. So if you don't have LastPass, you can save it to Notepad. Make it sure that you have Notepad. We're going to save it here. Fill password. Then create user. Save. Go back again. Then here, you can see this one, the Shopee. Both user and database should be the same so that easily for you. Then just add. So since you're the owner of this WordPress of the site, all you have to do is just mark this all privileges. It should be marked check. And we're going to save this one later. Because later, why? Because later you'll find out why. Okay. Just save change, make changes. Then go back to Cpanel, Shopee. You can see here the how do you call this content, WP config sample .php. Just hover your mouse here, then right click again. We're going to rename it. Rename it. Just remove the sample together with slash. Rename. Again. Same content. Right click. Edit. First thing to do is rename, then edit. Before I told you that we're going to save the password and the database and the user, because now we're going to use it here. Database name here. Just be careful. Should be correct. All the data should be correct, so that you don't have any problem when installing the WordPress. Password. Okay. Then save changes. Then when we'll open that subdomain that we created in another browser, in another tab. So how to do that? Shopee. This is the subdomain. This is the main domain. Just put a slash WP dash admin. Then enter. We will check because you told that there's an error. We'll just double check the database. No problem here, don't you worry, we'll just check it later. Not yet saved. Go back here. Domain, I don't know, SQL, changes. Okay, then just go back. Okay, we don't make it changes. Okay, no worries. Now here it is. Just reload it. We'll fix that one later. Shopee. Okay, here it is. Now here again to our now here. So same, just make changes. Okay, enter again. Shopee username. Okay, the database. Okay, then the password should be this one. Okay, then save changes. So here we're going to install, check in the hover, we will check in the new tab again. So it should be like this, Shopee, Pura. Okay, successful. Here it is. So next we're going to just continue. Then we're going to put a site title. Let's say it's your shop. Your shop. Your shop. Username should be let's say lesson 101. Then we will save it also. Control C. Because we're going to use that later when we're going to log in. Lesson 101. I hope you follow, guys. Lesson 101. Then the password. Okay. Then don't forget your email also. Install WordPress. We're going to save it. Log in. Okay, it's successful. Okay, here's the WordPress that we created. It is the how do you call this, the e-commerce site. So here just go to settings, general. Then you can edit here the information, the tagline. You can settings, then go to permalinks. Click the post name, then changes. If we're going to check this one in the new tab, Shopee. Charan! Okay, successful. Next time, I'm going to next video. In next video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins and theme using Cpanel. Bye bye, guys.